Hello everyone, my name is Masato from TGS. Today we will make porridge with shrimp. So since we are making a shrimp porridge, what we will need for the ingredients are shrimp, garlic, spring onion, lime or lemon, you can use either, consomme, and rice. Also, you will need a rice cooker that can cook porridge. Okay, so first we will need to cut the lemon or lime. So you can just cut a bit like this. And then you will use this, you will cut again in half and use this bit to water your shrimp. So yes, just put the lime, just squeeze the lime in the shrimp right here. It will get rid of the smell. Also, while you're at it, you can add some salt. So add some salt to the shrimp. So for the rice, for about 2 servings, you will need around 1 cup. So you can just pour the entire cup to your rice cooker, and then you will wash your rice just a little bit. We want the starch to stay with the rice, so you don't have to wash it too much. Okay. Keep in mind that in some rice cookers you can see these letters right here, which means okayu or porridge. That way, when you put 1 cup serving of the rice, you would want to fill up the water up until this section. And then we will put this in the rice cooker. So keep in mind, some rice cookers have the okayu function. That way you can cook your porridge more easily. You can change the settings. You can change your settings all the way to the okayu again, and then press the cook function. And then we wait until the okayu is finished. Okay, so after around 30 minutes, you will get this type of porridge in your rice cooker. So keep in mind that the color is like this because we added some consomme, which you can buy from any local supermarket. So we will take 1 shallot of garlic, and then we will try to dice it for the shrimp that we will fry. Okay, once the pan is hot enough, we will put our garlic inside. A hot pan, put a little bit of oil in it. And then wait for it to get cooked. So after we finish frying the shrimp, we will take a plate for us to put the porridge in. So we will take our porridge inside and put as many as you like. So after this, you put the shrimp on top, as well as some leek that you have cut. Okay, it is finished.